So good day again everyone. This is my video showing my hobbies Garcia.html design. So I only put 3 hobbies that I did in this quarantine year. So these are my hobbies. First is anime. So from the beginning I really love to watch anime. So this is my description describing why I love anime, and these are some example of the animes that I've watched. So this is from the character from the Descendants of the Bookworm. This one is from I Reincarnated as Slime. This one is from Fruit Basket. This one is from Love is War, and so on and so on. So next is music. So I love listening to different genre of music, but what I love the most is listening to K-pop song. So I'm a big fan of BTS and Blackpink. So BTS is a worldwide sensation because they are also talented, just like a Blackpink. They are also a worldwide sensation, a girl group sensation, and this is the boy group sensation, which popularity are really grow fast because of their supportive fans and a big fan base every nation. So the third is cooking. I really like to cook. Whenever there's available ingredients, I will cook it. So just like a fishball, spaghetti, and so on. So these are some of my hobbies when there's nothing to do during this pandemic time. So how did I code it? So here is the code for my hobbies web page. Just like the other web page, I also put the descriptions or the details of the web page inside the table. But I didn't put any background style or color in the body of my web page. So let's try to put some color. Background color. Let's try to have a what color we should choose. Pink, because I really love pink. So let's try if we could see it here. Some changes. Here you go. From white it changed to color pink. So that's for this video. Thank you.